Hey Kathy, I just thought I would show you this. This just cost me about a 20-hour build. It's kind of hard to get a picture. The nozzle's just sitting there in the plastic. The control board just shows normal, heating done, you know, all that. And it just stopped in the middle of the build. Nothing I can do to get it started. If I hold down the button, well, hang on a minute. Well, I can say pause print. And then I'm going to try and resume. Well, it's going to hit the top of that melted plastic, but I guess we'll find out. And I'll go ahead and hit resume print. Maybe it'll resume. No, as you can see, Kathy, I hit resume and it just doesn't do anything. It's just completely kind of lost what it was doing.